Hello children, how are you all? And I am your maths teacher Shahnaz, and today I am going to teach you the subtraction, that is without regrouping. Without regrouping is nothing but simple subtractions. Okay, no need to take borrow from the tens place or 100 place at all. Okay, simple one subtraction is called as without regrouping. Let's take with an examples, that is 49 minus 34. Okay, this is an example for your without regrouping sum. Okay, so place values you must write that ones then tens. Okay, so here we are getting two numbers. Okay, what are those numbers? That is, one is 9, another one is 4. One is bigger number, one is smaller number. Okay, so always bigger number we have to keep it in a mind. So 9 in a mind, 4 in a finger. Okay, whenever you are doing subtraction, we have to be count before number or backward number of 9. Okay, so 9 before number is 8, 7, 6, 5. What is the answer? 5 is the answer. Okay, you got the place of one's answer. Come to the tens place. Okay, 4 is bigger number. Okay, 3 is a smaller number. 4 in a mind, 3 in a finger. You should count before number of 4. 4 before number, 3, 2, 1. What is the answer? 1 is the answer. Okay, whatever answer we are getting from the subtractions, this answer we called as difference. Okay, this answer we called as difference. Okay, what's the difference? 15 is a difference. 15 is the answer. Understood? Let's take another example. Another example is 87 minus 60. Understood? Okay, this is another example of without regrouping sum. So 87 minus 60. First we have to find the answer of ones place, that tens. Okay, so here bigger number is 7, the smaller one is 0 only. Okay, so any number we subtract from 0, we will get the same number only. Okay, if 7 minus 0, the 0 is nothing but no number, that is means by the 0 only. Okay, 7 minus 0 will be 7 only. Come to the tens place. 8 is bigger number, so 8 in a mind, 6 in a finger. 8 before, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, what is the answer? 2 is your answer. What is the difference of this? 27 of the difference. 27 is the answer. Understood? Like this we have to solve the sums. Okay, understood children? Okay, next we should move forward the simple subtraction. Simple subtraction, that is without regrouping of the number line concept. Let's take with example, that is, let's take with example, that is subtract 6 from 9. Understood? Okay, whenever you are doing the number line, you must put the number line. Whether it is there in your textbook, no need to put again the number line. Whether it is not there, you have to put the number line. Okay, so I'll put the number line here. That is, start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 0 from 0 to 10. I wrote the number line here. Okay, so the question will be, which is bigger number? Two numbers are there. So which is bigger number? 9. So I'll write first 9. Subtraction is nothing but minus. Taking away the thing from the whole is called a subtraction. Okay, 9 minus another number is 6. Whatever answer you will get from this number line, you must write it in the given box. Understood? So the bigger number is 9. Okay, keep it your pencil on number 9 here. Understood? So the remaining 6, you have to be backward jump. Understood? 6 in a finger. Understood? 9 in a mind, 6 in a finger. You should, before jump, you should come backward of the 6th jump. That is 6, 9 before, you have to count before number of 6. That is 9 before number 8. 8. Okay, then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay. So how many jumps I told you? 6 jumps. Let's count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. How many jumps? 6 backward jumps. Understood? So 9 minus 6 will get the answer. Okay, 6 jumps after. Make it circle on this number. That is, we got the number. We got the answer 3. This you must write in the given box. That is 3. Understood? Let's recall this. 9 is a bigger number. Keep it in your mind. 9 in your mind. 6 in your finger. Okay, 9 before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Got the answer? Understood? Okay. Like the same thing you have to solve the number line concept. It is there in your textbook. Understood? That is, I'll tell you the page numbers. 111. Okay. This is Tulip's textbook. Okay. Come to the mathematics section. 4th, chapter number 4, subtraction is there, no? So here they given subtraction of number line. Okay. Page number 111. 111. Okay. 112 also there. You have to solve this in your notebook, maths notebook. Okay. Let's move to the word sums of subtraction. Okay. We'll take it an examples from your textbook only. Okay. That is page number 114. See children. Page number 113. Not 114, 113. It's there like this. Exercise 4.3. Page number 113. Okay, 113. Come to the first sum. Okay, I'll show with an example. That is, I'll take the same sum from your textbook. That is 13, 15 minus 3. It is already there in your textbook. Okay, I'll just make it understand you how to solve this one. Okay, so place values of ones and the tens. Okay, here we have got the same numbers. Okay, no same numbers with the different numbers. One is a small, one is a bigger number, another one is a small numbers. Okay, so here come to the tens place. How many numbers are there? Only one number. Okay, here no numbers are there. No numbers are there is nothing but 0. Will consider as a 0. Understood? Now 5 in your mind, because 5 is a bigger number than the 3. 5 in a mind, 3 in a finger. 5 before, you should count before number. Before number. Understood? 5 before, 4, 3, 2. What is the answer? What is the difference? 2 is a difference. 2 is the answer. Come to the tens place. 1 is there. Already I told you children, any number we should subtract with a 0, we will get the same number. Same number is nothing but 1 only. What is the difference here? 12 is a different. 12 is the answer. Okay. Like the same thing you have to solve the page number 113, second, third, fourth and the fifth main. Understood? These are all the simple subtraction, that is nothing but without regrouping sum. Understood? Okay. We will move on the word problems. Okay. That is regarding the simple subtraction one. Okay. Let's take with an examples. It is already there in your textbook. Okay. I'll just mention the page number of your textbook. That is 116. Exercise 4.6. That is page number 116. Already they had done this one. Okay. I'll just tell you how to solve this one. Okay. So let's start. I'll read the sentence. Okay. Sheena had 25 chocolates. They are not mentioned the chocolate spellings. Okay. They are given only picture of the chocolate. Sheena had 25 chocolate. She gave 12 chocolate to her friend Meenu. How many toffees does Sheena have now? Okay. So Sheena had how many chocolates, children? 25 chocolates. How many chocolates? 25 chocolates. Understood? Okay. And she gave how many chocolates to her friend Meenu? 12. Is what? Minus. She is taking away the things. She is taking away the chocolates from the whole. How many? 25. The whole chocolates. Okay. She is distributing to her friend. She gave it to her friend. Meenu is 12 chocolates. Understood? Now, place values ones, tens. Understood? Understood? Now come to the place of ones first. Okay, which is the bigger number here? 5 is bigger number. Okay, 5 in your mind, 2 in your finger. 5 before number. Count backward number. That is 5 before 4, 3. The difference will be the 3. Come to the tens place. Which is the bigger number here? 2 is a bigger number. 2 in a mind, 1 in a finger. 2 before number is 1. The answer will be 13. Okay. Out of 25 chocolates, okay, the total number of chocolates the Sheena had is 25. Okay. Of this chocolate, she gave 12 chocolates to her friend Meenu. Okay. Remaining how many chocolates left with her? That is 13. Understood? After distributing, after giving her friend Meenu, the remaining chocolate left with her is 13. Okay, like this you have to solve the sums. Now, I'll give some homework to you to solve. It is there in your textbook already. Okay, in the textbook itself only you have to solve. Okay, let's take page number. Okay, subtraction page number 113. This is your homework. Exercise 4.2. Okay, page number 113 is there, no? So first main 10 minus 10 will be 0, like that you have to solve this one. And 4.3, exercise 4.3. Then come to the next one is okay, these two main you have to solve. Okay, so for exercise 4.2 and 4.3 is your homework. Understood? So hope you all understood the concept of subtraction without regrouping. Okay, so just you have to go through and solve this one. Okay children, thank you.